My name's Anthony. I whakapapa to Ngāti Wai, Ngāti Ranginui and Ngāti Hine, and I live in Auckland.
I'm Sophie and I whakapapa to Ngāti Kawakitātonga, and I'm also from Auckland. We drove down earlier today so that we could be here.
Where do you guys come to this festival?
For me, it was, I don't really know any Māori writers. I am a Māori writer myself, but coming down to this is my first sort of exposure to Māori writing. And when we found out about it, I was like really excited to go.
Yeah, we had no idea that it was happening until a couple of weeks ago, and then we read an article, I think it was by Shilo Kino. I read online about her wanting a writers' festival, and then the next article was about the writers' festival. So I just thought it'd be a really cool opportunity. I haven't been to anything like this before. Yeah.
What did you guys think about the session tonight?
It's pretty amazing, yeah. It's pretty amazing to see, people who have made it, Māori writers who have made it in the industry, in the space, and they've got, their names on the front covers of books. So it's pretty inspirational to see that they've done it and that it can be done. And hopefully that's a path that more Māori writers can take in the future.
Yeah, I just think it's really interesting also seeing the sort of different perspectives from Māori. Like Māori aren't a monolith. They've got different views on things, and I'm looking forward to Saturday because we're hopefully going to see some more writers with more perspectives.